In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your YouTube video link to your Instagram story. This can be either your video or somebody else's. So first, you need to open up YouTube. So go to the YouTube app. Then go and find the video that you want to share. I'm going to go to my channel icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will take me then to my channel's page. We can then click on View Channel. And what I'm really doing here is finding a video. So I'm going to click on this video, how to create a slideshow video in CapCut. Now, once you've got that video open, you want to then scroll down a little bit and look for the share icon. It should be under the channel name. Once you've clicked on that, click on copy link. Now you've got the link to that video copied. Now what you can do, you can head over to Instagram. And once you're on Instagram, you want to go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will take you to your profile. Then click on your logo in the top left. Then click add to story. Then you can choose a image or a video that you want to add to your story. Just for simplicity, I'll just add this screenshot here of a song. Then you want to go to the sticker icon, which is going to be one to the right of the text icon. So click on that and then you can click on link. It's going to be the third kind of like line down from the bottom in the middle. Click on link and then paste in your URL by holding down, then click paste. Then you can also click customize sticker text, and I might want to put here like check this video out, or just a message here which will appear on the sticker. We can then click done, and there you go, check this video out. You can then resize this and add this anywhere that you want. Then once you post this, whenever someone clicks on it, they can click on the sticker, they can click visit link, and it will then take them to your YouTube video. So I hope that quick video helped you out.